What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's a pretty exciting one. As you guys can already tell by the title of the video, we are going to be getting some new tires on the new wheels, boys. So excited. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. It really does help my channel out a lot, and I'm really trying my hardest to hit 4,000 subscribers. We are so close. And if you guys have not seen my previous videos, shout out to all of you guys who left your feedback on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel in the comment section. A lot of you guys loved it, so I'm super stoked for that. I put out a poll on Instagram about a week prior to doing it, and so many of you guys reached out to me telling me to mold it. So we went ahead and molded it, boys. So hopefully you guys are happy. And well, I mean, I know you guys are, and damn does it look so good. So I highly suggest, if you guys have not seen that video, make sure to go check it out. But we are heading down to Westminster, about 20 minutes from me. We're going to my homie's tire shop. So pretty much as soon as we get there, we're gonna throw the tires on, and then I think probably when we get home, we'll go ahead and reveal what they are. But if you guys can try to take a guess, let me know. Alright guys, we're down here at the shop just waiting for him to finish up a car right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the wheels inside, get the tires mounted, and head back home. I'm so stoked. And then also right there is the muffler shop that I always go to. A lot of you guys ask. So we are actually at Westminster on Golden West, I believe it's what it is, Golden West Street. So right here you have my homie, the Tony Tire Shop, and then you have the guys over here at Plasma Muffler who do really good work. So we're actually going to be going there soon for my girlfriend's car and for my car. I'm just going to go ahead and actually just reveal the wheels that we went ahead and got. I love these wheels, to be honest, and got a really good deal on them, so I figured why not. Some of you guys are probably going to hate, why not get 2P, 3Ps? You're probably already disappointed just for me saying that, but here are the new wheels. DSO2's 19 by 11 plus 15 square on all four. They are extremely wide, so super stoked for these. Size, we're going with 275/30, so it'll be very mild stretch, more so more tire than a stretch look. Not doing this type of look anymore, so it should be a bit meatier than that, so super stoked. Oh, finally, AC. God damn, it's hot, boys. For us, that's Californian people, man. But in the high 90s, hundreds. I know other people it's hotter, but some places, but man, is it hot out here. Whew. Anyways, boys, got the tires on. Super stoked for it. What's going on here? Hold on, boys. Alright guys, so like I said, we went 275/30s. I wanted a bit more of meat rather than stretch. Now, the other option was going to be 295/30. I didn't want to do that because I still wanted some very, very mild stretch, just to make sure we can air out all the way on the floor as low as the car can go. I'll show you guys when we get home. So we're on the freeway right now, so we should be home about 10 minutes. And then I'm so excited, guys. God damn. Oh my God. This is nuts. Quickly show you guys. So here's the stretch. Like I said, it's not like bad, but it's more than I thought. But dude, oh my gosh. This is huge. Humongo wheel. Oh, hell yeah, boys. All right, let's get the other ones off. Or out. So good. All right, so we're gonna try to air it out. This wheel is just bugging me, dude, how like sunken in it is, but we'll get it dialed. I need to check the degrees on it because I'm curious as to how far off it is from this, because it actually does not look like it's far off at all. So, but all right, so let's try to get her aired out. got the wheels on, aired out as you guys saw, and oh my God, like it's absolutely crazy. So I can tell you right now, the front, I'm gonna end up buying the same size spacer that I have in the rear, probably just a little bit bigger, just to bring it out a little bit more. And then as far as the rear camber issue, I don't know what's going on with that. I actually measured, and the one that fits better is -7, and the other side is -6. So I don't know if that's due to when the car got hit. It's just so tweaked that even with the kit on, it still just doesn't measure out to the same. So I am gonna have to play with that. That's gonna really bug me because it's very sunken in, but it looks so good. So let me go ahead and show you guys. We're not gonna do a cinematic. I just wanna give you guys a nice walk around. There she is, boys. She's tucking nice. Oh God, dude, this is unfreaking real. So the rear camber will bring out a little bit, which will make it a little bit more flush. The front, like I said, will do a spacer, a little bit bigger spacer. I mean, it's not like bad. Maybe half an inch in, an inch. Not bad, but so we'll buy a little bit of a bigger spacer. But I mean, it's not bad at all. When aired out, look at that. Oh. So good. And then this is the problem side. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do because it's like, if you look, it's really a pretty big gap. And then you come to this side, you come on this side, it's not that big of a gap. It's, yeah, so I don't know what that is, what's up with that. So I'm gonna have to play around with that. But damn, dude. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my God, I'm so stoked. I love it. It's tucking nice front, tucking nice rear. Whoo, baby, look at that. Just wait until you guys see the color choice. Looking at it now too, I did not have to cut as much out of the front bumper, so that sucks, but whatever, it is what it is.